Hey you guys, yeah, I know it's been a few weeks since I posted a video. Been super busy here now, getting ready to business-wise, and now getting ready to head back to Iowa to the tundra. Anyway, I just changed the oil in the 15 Grand Cherokee for the first time, and I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil life. Let me show you. Kind of a handy thing on these newer vehicles. So I'm gonna show you guys how to reset that. I just started it after changing the oil, and I'm gonna do a video on changing the oil also the next time here, but for now I'm gonna show you how to reset this. Okay, I pulled out here because it was way too dark in there. I already actually did it, but then I couldn't see what I was doing, so I'm gonna show you again right now. Here we go. Okay, what you want to do is do not start the vehicle. Do not put your foot on the brake pedal. But you're gonna put this to run, and you're gonna pump the gas 3 times within 10 seconds. And now go ahead and start it. And there we go, 100% oil life. So yeah, I actually already did it, but I wanted to show you guys. Anyway, appreciate each and every one of you. Give us a like, comments, questions, subscribe, share this with somebody that might help. Love you guys. We'll see you next time.